As America's first motorcycle company, we built a blueprint others have followed since 1901. And for 125 years, we've continued to chase the only standard we know, our own. Introducing the limited edition 125th Anniversary Collection. Every bike in the family represents the spirit that's kept Indian motorcycle moving for more than a century. A refusal to settle, a drive to outbuild, outperform, and outlast. These are the finest motorcycles we've ever built. The 125th Anniversary Collection is refined edge to edge with hand-applied details. Each individually numbered bike features commemorative anniversary badging. Every surface has been elevated with the highest level of paint finish and one-of-a-kind pinstriping unlike anything you've seen before. The Chief Vintage 125th Anniversary Edition carries forward the design language that shaped American motorcycling in the 1940s and 50s. Uniquely Indian motorcycle and refined without compromise. The Scout Bobber 125th Anniversary Edition is an expression of motorcycling in its purest form. Intentional, unapologetic, and elevated to stand out from the pack. The Indian Challenger 125th Anniversary Edition represents modern American V-twin performance. Confident, sculpted, and relentless power. And finally, the Roadmaster 125th Anniversary Edition stands as the benchmark for refined touring machines, where comfort, quality, and precision matter most. The Indian Motorcycle 125th Anniversary Collection. 4 different motorcycles, 1 philosophy. This is what it looks like when a legacy refuses to rest. First then, first now, never finished since 1901.